open it, Rain. Ta-da-da! Oh! Slowly, no! Slowly, before. Hi guys! So I'm so excited going to Ayala Cebu in the Henry's camera. Nagpa-reserve ko guys. So I'm so excited. This is my birthday gift for my and nanadyo tami DJI drone. Nanadyo may aerial views. Puhon sa among YouTube channel. So watch it. Coming new videos guys for aerial videos soon. Alright guys, so you can see nanagyo mi sa Ayala Dapit guys. Doon na kayo. I'm so excited. My wife. Ano siya guys? Ako na yung box-phone ko later. So excited. Hi guys!
My name is Alexa.
I'm Papa Ron, and today we're going to
We have a new drone.
yay!
It was died by Papa Ron, 57,000. Guys, did you remember our old video drone?
No, I don't think they saw it.
Yeah.
It's very long time ago.
This one is very expensive.
So
We're gonna unbox it
we're
today.
unboxing our new toy.
This is our new drone.
Yeah, our drone, guys. So this is my gift for my own. for my birthday.
Papa, can you be quiet?
It was October 14, but now it was already lapa.
So it's been a while. I'm longing for this. So abot na gid.
Time
So
to be
this is it, guys. So this is it. The DJI Mini SE, the
Wait, Papa, can I carry
smallest drone.
Smallest drone?
Yeah.
This is
So
like
far
the
in
biggest drone.
DJI Mini SE.
This one is a new drone.
Okay, so
Okay, time to open up. No, don't like that.
okay.
So you need to. I thought to. Oh, there you go.
Oh, there.
Slowly.
That one might broke when this box fall down.
Wait.
I'm gonna hold it.
So we're going to unbox it now.
Whoa, that all failed.
So let's see what's inside the box. So again, guys, this I forgot to tell you. This is DJI Mini SE Fly More Combo. So
This is 27K.
inside the box should
You
be.
need a lot of cords to buy this.
So there's a bag, protected bag, 3 battery, and then the remote, the charger, the extra propeller, and of course the drone. Okay?
Okay, let's go open it up.
I just throw the plastic that is
Wait. Slowly, guys, slowly. Here. So this is it, guys. So slowly. Whoop. Whoa.
This is like the smallest or biggest drone. I'm so confused.
It's only the bag.
Yeah.
Wait, slowly lang, guys.
It's another bag.
So excited. Slowly. Sige, Rain, open it, Rain. Ta-da-da. Oh! Slowly, no! Whoa, look at, guys. So it's so very small.
What is
Just
this?
the palm of my hand. Just look at it, the palm of my hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So funny.
So you touch it. Oh. So you hold it. Slowly. Ate.
Ooh, I find a recipe.
Is this the camera?
I find
Yeah.
a recipe, Papa.
So recipe. So we have the this recipe. Really, we're not cooking here. We're unboxing. So we here the remote. Whoa, so cool. The remote.
Can I see?
Slowly. Okay.
The buttons yet.
The remote, guys. So let people see the camera. Oh, the remote. Oh, you turn it on. Okay. Then this one. Let's see. Let's open this.
Where's the drone?
The drone is here.
Where?
It's already French.
Oh, so this is the
What?
battery and the charger. So this is the battery, guys.
Ooh.
So you can charge
Papa,
3
can you give me
inside.
this, Papa?
Now let's open this one.
Slowly, baby
Let's
boy.
open
I'm
this one.
trying.
Oh, you open like that.
Try to open this one.
Can we try to open this one though?
There you go. This one, So the other one should be inside the drone.
Make sure you don't eat this.
And then we're gonna open this one.
Okay, open that one, ate. What's inside there?
What?
Oh, so this is the extra propeller.
This one?
Yeah, extra propeller. What else? No more.
Me too.
And of course, don't forget the wires. So these are the wires, guys,
I like wires.
Me
for
too.
our
I bought
drone.
sa manigamay.
Okay. So again, guys, so this is the
Here at the next stop.
very small. The palm of our hands.
At the next stop.
And we're ready and we're excited. We're excited to test. Okay.
Papa, can you look at this?
Okay.
Papa, can you look at this?
So let's try to open this
Careful.
slowly.
Wait, what?
Don't eat and steady.
Here.
How does this work? I don't remember.
Whoop.
Whoa!
Whoa. Look at, guys. Whoa.
You can.
Wait.
Wait.
Another one. Up.
That's.
Whoa.
Oh, there you go. Wow, so
This is super cool.
this is it. Drone, guys.
He's so cute.
I'm
So
gonna get
cutie,
the
cutie,
remote.
cute.
I'm gonna get the remote.
Wait. I'm
So
gonna
later
turn it
we're
off.
gonna test this one. Later, so hopefully
I turned it
will
off. Don't worry, I turned it
run
off.
and good. Okay.
I turned it off.
So that's it for now, guys. So
We're gonna
see you when we test it out, fly it up, test it how it goes.
Okay.
So
It's right.
let's go. Let's do like it. 1, 2, 3. So muna na siya, guys. So I'm logging into the app right now. So the DJI app para ma-on na gyud ako ang drone. So as you can see, the drone is starting up. So we're downloading and installing the software of this DJI app. So it's upgrading the firmware. So before we can start, so we're gonna wait a little bit to test this out. Just a few percent left, and after it, and we can try to test this. So muna na siya. Okay na daw. Update successful. So before, guys, na makakuha nga itong mga first timer like me, so kung makakuha mo DJI, make sure you have an account before you can use their drone. So hi guys, sa katong mga beginners like me, so sa akong pag-on, problema ako pag-on na. So I just realized na you single press and hold next before ma-on ang drone. So press, then hold. There you go. So you can hear the sound. You can see the LEDs lighting up. I think it's ready to fly now. So we just put it down here. So same goes to this remote, guys. So ang pag-on ni, you just press this one once and hold. Just the same as the drone. So that's it. So let's go fly and test it out. Woohoo! There you go. So let's try to take off the drone, guys, to test it out right now. So what we'll need is just to press this one, take off. Okay. And then hold. There you go. Whoa. Take off. So easy ulit kayo, guys. So beginners like me, so I'm not gonna dali siya pa take off and so ano siya, guys, ready to fly. Alright, next, guys, kaya ang pag-landing mali sa tayo, we just need to press this part, and then there's the word land, so hold, and then it will say landing. What happened if the drone will land? Alright, so mana siya, okay na. So hi guys, we are here to test this DJI drone, our first drone. So we're gonna try to fly it out in the one of a big statue of Mount Mary and fly around and test this guy out. Okay, that's it. Let's do this. So guys, muna na siya, guys, yung drone. So we're gonna try to fly it out up in the sky.
Control the drone?
Salit lang.
Here, Ranger.
Do Do this.
Come here. Bye-bye, drone.
So as you can see guys, so mo ka ng gamay na dot mo na itong drone. So if you're gonna look little closer, find the drone, our little drone. Oh, there he is.
Next.
There you guys. So he's just doing some moving around Mama Mary. So mo na siya. So everything looks good during our test flight.
Hey!
So mo na to siya. So we test it out. So look at the DJI. So we're gonna land it now. So mo na siya guys. Ilan na mo? Landing. So it says here landing. So let's try. Oh, di rin kay mo cancel na rain. Move slowly. Boom. Rain ayaw lagi rin.
Can they try the drone?